Ready to skyrocket your customer engagement with Aisensy campaigns? Let's dive in. First, log into your Aisensy account. You'll land on your dashboard. Look for the Campaigns tab on the left-hand navigation menu and click on it. Now, let's create a new campaign. Find the Create Campaign button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen, and click it to start. You'll be presented with a campaign creation form. Start by giving your campaign a clear and descriptive name, so you can easily identify it later. Next comes audience segmentation. This is crucial for targeted messaging. Select your audience based on existing tags, custom attributes, or uploaded lists. Ensure your message reaches the right people. Now, it's time to craft your message. Use the message editor to create engaging content. You can include text, images, and even personalize your message using variables like the customer's name. Consider be testing different message variations to see what resonates best with your audience. This feature allows you to optimize your campaign for maximum impact. Finally, schedule your campaign. You can choose to send it immediately or schedule for a later date and time. Pick the option that best suits your marketing strategy. After your campaign runs, monitor its performance using the Analytics dashboard. Track key metrics like open rates and click-through rates to understand what worked and what could be improved for future campaigns.